Hello, my name is Kinjal Pavani. My roll number is 17. Today I am representing a seminar of acid rain, index, causes, effects, and the solution of the acid rain. First of all, what is acid rain? When pollutants from factories react with water vapor present in the atmosphere, it forms acid. And when this acid drops down with rain, it is known as acid rain. Second one is, how does acid rain occur? The burning of fossil fuels, petrol and diesel release harmful gases in the atmosphere like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These gases get mixed with water vapor present in the atmosphere and form harmful acids like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These acids dissolve in rainwater and fall on the earth in the form of rainwater. This is called acid rain. In the simple mean, we can say that acid plus rain is equal to acid rain. Next, causes of acid rain. There are the two types of causes of the acid rain. First is natural causes, which are volcanic emissions, biological process, etc. And the second one is anthropogenic causes like factories, motor vehicles, and the automobile exhaust, coal-based power plants, and the domestic fires. This image illustrates the pathway for acid rain in our environment. The first step is emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are released into the air. We can see here as a number 1. And the second step is where the pollutants are transformed into acid particles that may be transported long distance. We can see here as a number 2 are the pollutants. And the third, these acid particles then fall to the earth as wet and dry deposition like dust, rain, and snow. And the fourth may causes harmful effects on soil, forest, streams, and lakes. Now, effects on ecosystem. An ecosystem is community of plants, animals and other organisms along with their environment including the air, water and soil. Everything in ecosystem is connected. We all know about it. If something harms one part of an ecosystem, one species of plant or animal, the soil or the water, it can have an impact on everything else. So, let's see about harmful effects of it. Acid rain affects both living and non-living things. First, living things which are plants, humans and animals and the aquatic life. Effects on plants. It damages the leaves of the plant and decreases the fertility of the soil, and it can also block stomatal pores of leaves and degradation of plants' chlorophyll. We can see here before acid rain and the after acid rain. Second one is effects on humans and the animals. Acid present in the acid rain makes it difficult for humans and animals to breathe. This acid particles effects on heart function and gastric disorder due to drinking acidic rainwater, and our eyes and lungs also inflammation. If what can happen if our sensitive skin is coming in contact with dangerous acid, we can see the result of in this picture. Now, effects on aquatic life. Acid rain causes the water in ponds, lakes and the rivers to become more acidic and hence unsuitable for survival of aquatic plants and animals. Because of it, fishes stops eggs of certain organisms to stop hatching. Now, effects on non-living things. Monuments and the buildings get discolored due to the acid rain. Here are the example of the Taj Mahal. Acid rain has caused white marble of Taj Mahal to turn yellow. There are also some pictures of monuments and the buildings. Now, solution. There are several solutions to stopping man-made acid rain regarding the emission. coming from vehicles and buildings is an important step. This can be done by restricting the use of fossil fuels and focusing on more sustainable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Also, each person can do their part by reducing their vehicle use. Using public transportation, walking, riding a bike, or carpooling is a good start. According to Environmental Protection Agency EPA, people can also reduce their use of electricity which is widely created with fossil fuels or switch to a solar plant. Many electricity companies offer solar package to their customers that require no installation and low cost. We can also do some little things which are helping to stop acid rain like drive less, don't use air conditioner as much and use low energy light bulbs. Now, conclusion. Acid rain is slowly destroying our planet. It is our responsibility to make sure that we protect the earth for future generation to enjoy it. We should stop polluting. For example, riding your car just to go to your neighbor's 5 houses away from yours. We can go there by walking or cycling. So now we are trying to do to save our environment. In the last, here I am presenting a little poem of the acid rain. The trees are dead, and so are the roots. It's the rain, they dead, also the shoots. The rain is like it eats it all away, should be more placid, would help in a big way. But one day the trees will be gone. It seems all the people do is yawn. But when it is back, black, dark, and no bark, we will wish we were sitting in a green park. Thank you.